So welcome guys our Linux Cracker channel. If you are a new guy who are into our Linux Cracker channel, so please subscribe channel and click the bell icon and let's see what will what we will we do in VMware for installing the Debian 10 operating system. Who is goes to Debian Linux operating system? Okay. So guys हमको क्या करना है? Firstly, we will go for file and then we will select a new virtual machine. After clicking the new virtual machine, you will give a prompt. You will see a prompt where we'll use custom and then you will choose workstation 16.x. Okay, it will choose this because it is where it is new and prefer to new pro version of VMware. So we will choose 16 and then we will continue to next process. So we will click now next. So here you will choose a file where you will detect which operating system you have to install. So I will choose here Debian 10 and then open it and now next. And I will choose Linux operating system because it's a Linux operating system. So we'll use Linux and then we will give a name for our uh, Debian 10 operating system. So I will give name Debian 10 Linux Cracker. Sorry, Linux Cracker. Now next, and I will choose default number of processor and core processor, and will choose in default 2048 RAM. And also here we use bridging networking, and it will give we will give here also default LSI logic, who is recommended for an input output controller. And for virtual disk type we will use SCSI small computer scale interface, who is recommended for by default. Now we select next, then create a new virtual disk for this operating system will now next. And here I will give a 30 GB maximum disk size for this installing the operating system whole. And plus you select the less and you select the plus icon and increase your GB of the disk size. And then we will select split and then here your virtual disk image file Debian 10 Linux Cracker .vmdk. So if you are want to install another new virtual machine in the VMware, so you can use this vmdk file for installing final configuration file of this virtual machine. And now it will finish and now close it. So here I will select language who will prefer for our understanding English, and then we will select our native place where I living. So I will choose India. I am from India. Okay, so let's continue. Now I will key map to use for configuring American English normal. It will take some time for detecting and covering all necessary configuration setup for our installing the operating system Debian 10. Now here I will use host name for our this operating system. So I will choose I will write here host name. So I will write here host name Linux, and the domain name will be cracker.com. So cracker.com. You can use your own minded name, whatever you want, whatever you choose for this. And I suggest you here give or fill the password is strong or complex, so it who were helpful for you when you want to secure your system or any account who you want to secure. So I will show you password whatever I am writing. So I will using complex password, capital L small I N X and at the rate 12 capital CRACKER, and I will give re-enter this password. I will give this again this password. So I will put here same password. I'm not copying this password because sometime maybe issues created copy and paste during the password, then it is not accepting the password. So I choose manually writing the password. So full name of for our new user. So I will give you a full name of a new users Linux cracker. Then continue, and then also username will be same Linux cracker, and then again choose a new password. So I will keep the same password who are given before to root user. Same Linux cracker, Linux at the rate 12 cracker. So you can see that password. Okay, let's by using NTP protocol is managing synchronizing the networking synchronizing the time from the server, NTP server. Okay, so here is a main part where we configure boot, root, and home directory in the disk. So I will choose SCSI small computer scale interface. So I will choose here SCSI 000 SDA and 32.2 GB VMware and virtual system. So I will continue and create a new empty partition. Yes, because I want to create new partition, so it should be empty. So here for our creation of partition we are having a 32.2 GB free space. So now we will use this partition for our creating a root, boot, and the variable or logs and or for any other partition who wants for partition. So I will give 1 GB for boot, means for boot loading our image file from the disk. So I will choose primary and then end. So location of the new partition will be ending. On your hand you want for you what you want, you can choose beginning or ending. Okay, so here is mount point is root, so I am changing this first to boot. Okay, continue it. Now done setting up the partition and continue. Now our 999.3 MB is used for boot process. So now I will partition for the root. So I will continue for from the previous partition of 31 GB, and here I will give 10 GB for root partition and continue. And then I will choose primary because the primary partition means should be a 4 to 5 partition can be make, which we can be make. So ending. Now the mount point is main root. So let's done setting up the partition and the continue. Now here we can see that two partition have done root and boot. Now we will create a variable logs logs directory, logs partition, where because when we do anything on the system, there is a log messages are created. So here is storage is necessary for that. So I will choose here variable, because the log files are goes to under where variable data. So I suggest to choose where under root where, and then set sorry then setting of the partition. Now we have done three partition: root, boot, and where. Now we will full partition for home directory. Okay, so now done setting up the partition. Now continue. So we are now having a four partition, and let's finish the partition. Now continue. So here is asking for partition menu to you have to return. So we will know want to return, go back, and now I change the disk. Yes. Now it's installing the base system. So okay, so he's asking for this choice can be later modified by running. So I will suggest to no, participate in the packages user survey. So he's asking for what services you want to install, or what software you want to install. So if you are using for server purpose, so I suggest you to only stand system utilities. Otherwise, you can unmark the other software. And if you are using normal user for doing any beginning for learning purpose, so sorry, for professional or graphical interface, so I suggest you choose desktop environment and Genome, and the last system utilities, and now continue. So here is asking for group loader, so I will suggest to you yes, and after yes you can continue for further process who are remain left. So now it's installing the group loader. Group is stand for granted unified bootloader for master boot recording to fetch the kernel software to our RAM. And let's after group installer installation you can continue this process, and let's finishing up. Now its installation have done, so wait few minutes for opening the for system booting the for after installing the all thing. Wait for system boot the new operating system in our Debian 10, and let's continue. Let's see what will happen after this. Checking all the services and the system softwares whatever need for our system initialization. So our login prompt have open. Now I will enter a password who were created a user who were created before user for user password. So I will use same password linux @12cracker. So here you can see that here is Linux Debian 10 is open and your graphical user interface have seen. So let's go our terminal and check this update our Debian 10, and let's check our operating system and the kernel version. So let's check our list command. So is already a default directories have created. Now let's see it's pinging it's connected or in our internet or not. So it's pinging our Google server, and let's go to the root user for updating our this system. So use command su space root and then give password. After giving the password, you have to write command for updating apt hyphen get space update. After updating, we will use command host name ctl for knowing the operating system and the kernel name. What is our operating system is Debian GNU Linux 10, and the kernel version is 4.19.0. सो गाइज ये आपका फुल कंप्लीट इंस्टॉलेशन था Debian 10 के ऊपर. सो जो अब हमारा नेक्स्ट वीडियो रहेगी वो आपकी दूसरे सिस्टम पे दूसरे ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के बेस पे रहेगी. So thank you for watching our Linux Cracker channel, and please subscribe this channel. And if you are having any troubleshooting or problem for recording this, so please comment on the channel of our Linux Cracker and I will solve it. Thank you.